একটি অত্যন্ত গৌরবান্বিত মুহূর্ত আমাদের প্রত্যেকের জন্য। আমাদের রাজ্যের সর্বজন শ্রদ্ধেয় মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী তিনি ভূমি পূজার এই আনুষ্ঠানিক পর্বে অংশগ্রহণ করলেন। এতক্ষণ
today's occasion, Professor Dr. Manik Saha, Honorable Chief Minister of our state,
and fairness in its students. We have actively started our research programs, our outreach activities through our School Connect initiative and
the groundbreaking plaque. We all will put our hands together.
यहाँ सर जो है सर अभी हम लोग यहाँ से आए हैं यहाँ पे जो सामने ग्राउंड के
Professor Dr. Manik Saha, Honorable Chief Minister of our state, is lighting the lamp. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Of legal education in this state. We are profoundly honored by the distinguished guests, representative from Kheta government of Tripura.
Today, as I stand here in front of you, I feel a sense of pride that NLU Tripura has kicked off in such a grand fashion, and it's on the course of making a mark on its own. For any institution to grow and attain fame, there are two things which necessarily are required. One is the infrastructure, which is the hardware, and the second is the software, which is the teaching faculty, the students, and all others human resources associated with it. Today, we can proudly say that this NLU Tripura has a full-fledged teaching faculty. The first and the second batches of NLU Tripura are doing well. The semesters are going on time, and there has been full enrollment even in the second batch within such a short time of the inception of the university. The entire credit goes to all the stakeholders associated with this National Law University of Tripura. We are thankful to Honorable the Chief Minister and the team of senior officials of the Government of Tripura led by the Chief Secretary, Sri Jitendra Sinha ji, Mr. Gitte, Mr. Rawal, the engineers of the department. On their part, they have conceived and in fact are in the process of executing the whole vision of bringing NLU Tripura in the landscape, on the landscape of the entire country. And I'm sure in the very near future, in the days to come, NLU Tripura would shine at par with one of the best law universities of the country, whether it's in Bangalore or Delhi or anywhere else. And in this solemn task, I am grateful to my colleagues, Brother Justice Gaur, Justice Lodh, Justice Purkayas, Justice Palith, who have been all through very supportive and cooperative in this task, and especially the members of the governing body, the Learned Advocate General, all of whom have contributed to ensure that everything goes on smoothly and the NLU takes off very well. It's not easy for the parents of the dear students who have come from far across places like Tamil Nadu, Delhi, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, including the state of Tripura, to send their children to such an upcoming university of the stature of a national law university. given the fact that it is only about 1.5 or 2 years old, and it is situated at such a eastern corner of the country. But it is only due to the confidence that has been created by the involvement of not only the faculty members, the members of the governing body, but also the cooperation and support of the state, that this NLU has started making its own mark, and the parents are feeling confident to send their wards to this university. These students who are the first two batches, they are witnessing a historic moment. They in fact are witness to the shaping of this National Law University Tripura. By the time they come out of this university after 5 years, we are sure that not only the entire infrastructure of the university would be complete and in place, but the university in its performance would also be making a big mark on the national scheme. So on this occasion, I congratulate every one of you involved in this whole nation building, institution building task, and I'm sure that the students who are going to enroll and those who are here, they would contribute to the welfare of the society and the nation building task. Thank you so much.
First of all, I would like to give my thanks to all of you present over here. It is really, I am honored that I have also witnessed this occasion. When I came here and was trying to, because this groundbreaking ceremony, as you have mentioned, I tried to break the coconut. Then Justice Gore told that you should not, you are a doctor, you should not break. You have to repair it before you are breaking it. As a doctor, usually we do this kind of, we fix, this screws and all, plating and all. Anyway, everywhere there are some systems. I did not understand whether this kind of systems is existing here or not. In other places we break it. Anyway, in this groundbreaking ceremony, I broke the coconut. The foundation stone was laid by Her Excellency Srimati Draupadi Murmu, Honorable President of India, on 12th October 2022. That time also I came here, and I have seen there are so many peoples who have extended their hands to start this memorable, I think, this National Law University. And today marks a historic milestones in the journey of legal education in Tripura with the groundbreaking of the permanent campus of National Law University, Tripura, NLU Tripura. This place actually previously belonged to this technology TIT, Tripura, TIT. So from because I am in charge of the education department as well as law department also. So in that way I am lucky that both the departments can help you out to make it this university. The establishment of NLU Tripura reflects our commitment to nurturing excellence in legal education, research and policy making. Here I think we should not make only one academy law university only, but here the research, these things should be also carried out so that the status standard of the university also can be cropped up and people should know about this. So far this policy, this making is concerned, we are here, we are always will be helping you out. As one of the premier institutes of legal education, NLU Tripura will contribute significantly to producing skilled legal professionals, judges and policy makers. This is my request to all of you that this university should be one of the best law university across the northeastern region, even in the country. Already regarding this, our Honorable Chief Justice mentioned. The government of Tripura is fully committed to providing all necessary support for the development of NLU Tripura. So from our side, we are giving the land and all the logistic support, even financial support also in future we will provide. For that, you need not worry for that. We are with you. Infrastructure development is a key priority to ensure students. So that also I think already it has been shown us how this the hostels and the other buildings will be coming up, and the faculty members have access to world-class academic and research facilities. I think the faculty, they also should have some extraordinary their orientation, and they should approach to the world-class academicians also, so that our students can be enriched, and I think that would be done by you. The state government will continue to extend what I already have mentioned, that financial and administrative and policy-wise support to help NLU Tripura to achieve its goal. A robust legal system is essential for a thriving democracy, and institutions like NLU Tripura will play a crucial role in strengthening our legal framework. Legal education is not just about learning the law, but fostering justice, ethics, and the rule of law in society. I am confident that NLU Tripura will serve as a center for legal research and development, addressing contemporary challenges in the field of law and governance. As a matter of fact, it has already started doing it. The university must focus on academic excellence, then research-driven legal education and skill development. It must also emphasize interdisciplinary learning, then integrating law with technology, governance, and business studies. NLU Tripura should be a hub for national and international collaboration, ensuring that our students and faculty engage with the best legal minds globally. I express gratitude to the Honorable Chief Justice and other dignitaries for their guidance and support in making this vision a reality. I appreciate the efforts of the faculty, administrations, and students in shaping the future of NLU Tripura. Today's groundbreaking ceremony is not just the beginning of the construction of building only. It is the foundation of future, enriched with knowledge, justice, and service to the society. Encourage your minds to join NLU Tripura and contribute to nation building through the legal profession.